Good afternoon and welcome to Open House. Our students are currently using Google Classroom to access materials that they might not have or anything that we worked on in class, they're able to access on Google Classroom. So parents, I want to invite you to join our class. When you log on to the internet, you will type in Google Classroom. Click on the very first link and your screen is going to be blank. I have all of my classes open here. Your screen will be blank. So in order to join a class, you will click on the plus sign and then you will click join class. You will type in the class code that will be written around the room for you based on your child's class period, and then you click join. Just to give you an example of what one of the classroom looks like, this is my third period class. I usually post classwork that we've done in our class, additional assignments, or I may even post some sort of announcement or note. This is just a way for you to kind of see what we're working on. And if your child is going to be absent, they can absolutely go on the classroom. It's accessible on any laptop, phone, or any kind of device where you're able to have internet services. So I invite you to join us. If you have any questions, my information will be running on the screen as well. Thank you.